Hey guys, here I want to make a walkthrough to the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. I know if you're new to the system, it's probably a little bit complicated, but this video shall help you a little bit to find all the cool spots and get the maximum output of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. The first part is going to be for the free members and the second part for the ones who want to go more into extended services. So let's get started. To find the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, you just go to my webpage hpcrazy.com, and then here you see the link Guitar Academy, or it's also down here, more infos, Guitar Academy. So we go to Guitar Academy, and here you can join. This will lead you to my main page as an artist, but directly to the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. So this here is the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with all the topics here. At the moment, there are 11 different genres or different sections. Each of them, you just click on them here, and here you find a whole bunch like this one here. And here you find the YouTube video, the description, and the files which are attached to the lesson. Now, if you want to get more interaction in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, then let me quickly log out here. Then you go here, sign in or sign up, and here you can create your account. I already have one. I'm just gonna sign in with a test account. So okay, now we are here in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. When you go to the main page here, then you see the full thing here. We have the HPCrazy Students Club here. If you want to interact with everybody else or open topics, you just hit this button here, Join Club. And now you're a member of the HPCrazy Students Club. Then you go in the Students Club, and here you see the new stream in the HPCrazy Students Club. Topics, here you find topics, and if you want to start a new topic on your own, you just click on this button here, and here you can write whatever you want. That's one way of interact, or with your account you can answer any topic you like, of course. Also when it comes to the lessons here, like let's go back to blues guitar, select one, and here you can answer anything you like. That's all a free service, pretty cool. What is also really cool is when you go to your profile, you go here on your this is your navigation thing. You can manage many things. I don't go to all of it in detail, you find out yourself. But what is really important is your profile. This leads you to your profile. Here you can of course add a photo, add a cover photo as you like. And what is really cool about this, you can start to write your own news feed here. As a like in Facebook, a status update. Let's do something new. All right, news feed. Submit. And now it appears here, and people can follow your news feed, or you can follow other people's. Let's go my admin account. You also can follow your news feed, follow other members' news feed. What is really cool is the AdWords section. The more you interact, the more AdWords you get here, and the more valuable member you become of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. It's really cool. If other people want to reply to this, they can do this here, or your status update appears here on this. When you're on desktop or on the mobile, it also appears in a special section, and here people can see what you are writing. That's really cool stuff, and I really recommend this to get more interaction with other members here. Tony has something. Let's see what Tony wrote. He wrote something here. Cool stuff. It's about music, how Black America created rock and roll. So he wants to talk. He has already a few AdWords. The AdWords system is brand new, so It's not really high ranked awards at the moment. Yeah, that's the way you can interact, and that's really the cool stuff, and this is all for free, of course. And it's probably really interesting, because if you have any question about a lesson, I don't know, let's take nasty rock guitar licks, you can reply here, ask your question, and I'm gladly going to answer your questions. Probably also give you some more advice on this, and it's going to be more extended than on YouTube. So that's the free service here. Now let's go to the extended content. If you want to download all of the, I'm going to show you here. If you want to download one of those files here, you should get, oh, I'm already upgraded. Let me see, am I a premium member? I see, okay, I need to fix this. Yeah, if you want to download the attachments with the coming with the lessons here, I'm gonna try again here. You can make, I'm already a premium member. You can make a premium membership here, either monthly or yearly. Just click on the button you like, subscribe, and this leads you to the payment, and you can pay with PayPal. You can make an automatic renewal if you want. You can also pay with manual check. It's up to you. If you make the automatic renewal, be aware that you have to cancel it yourself in your PayPal account. It's not upon my things which I'm doing here. Yeah, that's basically the main thing. What is also a cool tool is the download section. I'll show you here. Down here. I'll show you up here. We have here downloads. Up here you see downloads, and here you see HPCrazy Guitar Academy, and at the moment this one is for free. You can download some theory files for your studies, and I'm going to add some other stuff, but these files are really specific files. Probably I'm going to charge some of them, others not. This one is for free, where here you can learn basic rhythm notation. It's really cool. Yeah, so these are the cool services here. If you want to book a private lesson, you can do this here, either Skype lesson or a private video lesson. That's up to you. The description, you click here, and here you find a more extended description, what it's all about, and here you can order whatever you want. And it's a lesson is $85, a private lesson is $85. That's about it. If you have any questions, as I said, you just ask in the topics, and that's the way to go, and it's really cool. There's not much more to say about this. You also find my my Livestream Console. They're also promoted here at the moment. There's non-active, but they're also here. So this is the whole system, and there are also other topics. Is my personal blog here, my blog as a guitarist, my blog as a creator of color music or as a pianist, and there's other stuff. If that is in your interest, you just follow these topics here, and the same again. But that stuff is for free. You can just follow if you're interested in more details about my work. My work is basically the HPCrazy Students Club here, and the Fart Music Meditation, that's the other club. I just started with this new project like 2-3 months ago. So you also hit join club, and then you go in there, and same again, if you want to write something, you can do this here and this other stuff. Yeah guys, this was the quickest possible walkthrough through the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Really, if you love what I'm doing and you want to learn from my system of teaching guitar, understanding guitar, that's I worked on it like 2 years, and now it's perfect. and it's ready for you to use. There are already I think 100 premium members and around 400 students which already joined. So if you're interested, please join there too, and it's way more interactive and you have more possibilities than on YouTube, of course. But you can also just follow me on YouTube, of course, if you just want to watch the videos. So what I wanted to say. See you guys.